Why humans divide the sky into 12 signs? Why 12? Why did humans look at the enormous sky and eventually organize the zodiac into 12 signs? Why not 10, or 20, or 100? The number 12 appears again and again throughout human history. And perhaps, there is more to this number than coincidence. Welcome back to Astrology from an AI perspective. Today we explore why humans divide the sky into 12 signs. Not as a horoscope, not as a prediction, but as a journey through astronomy, ancient calendars, mathematics, culture, and humanity's desire to organize the cosmos. The night sky is enormous. To the human eye, it can appear almost impossible to organize. Thousands of stars, moving planets, the changing moon, the rising and setting sun. Yet ancient skywatchers discovered something important. The sky contains patterns. As the sun appeared to move across the background of stars throughout the year, ancient observers gradually developed ways to describe that path. This region became associated with what we now call the Zodiac. The division into 12 signs is closely connected to ancient Babylonian astronomy and later Greek traditions. Babylonian astronomers developed zodiacal divisions along the sun's apparent path, eventually organizing the zodiac into 12 equal sections. But why 12? One reason is connected to the year. The year naturally contains roughly 12 lunar cycles, although 12 lunar months do not exactly equal a solar year. 12 also became useful for organizing calendars and measuring recurring cycles. Ancient civilizations discovered that numbers weren't just abstract ideas. They could help organize reality. And 12 was particularly convenient. Think about how often 12 appears. 12 months, 12 hours on a traditional clock face, 12 divisions of many ancient measurement systems, 12 zodiac signs. The number became deeply embedded in human culture. There is also a mathematical reason. 12 has many divisors. It can be divided evenly by 2, 3, 4, and 6. That makes it remarkably practical for dividing cycles and quantities. For ancient civilizations observing time in the heavens, that flexibility was valuable. But something fascinating happened next. The 12 divisions weren't simply mathematical compartments. Humans began giving them identities. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Stars became stories. Groups of stars became constellations. And the zodiac became a combination of measurement and mythology. This is an important distinction. The astronomical zodiac and the astrological zodiac are not exactly the same thing today. The astronomical sky is constantly changing in how celestial coordinates are described because of Earth's axial precession. Meanwhile, Western tropical astrology uses 12 equal 30-degree sections beginning from the vernal equinox. So when we talk about the 12 zodiac signs, we're talking about a system that developed from humanity's attempt to organize celestial cycles. Artificial intelligence gives us a fascinating perspective on this. AI can compare ancient astronomical records, calendars, mathematical systems, and mythologies across civilizations. And one pattern becomes clear. Humans have always tried to transform complexity into something understandable. We divide time into days, days into hours, the year into months, the horizon into directions, and the zodiac into 12 symbolic sections. Perhaps the zodiac isn't only a story about the stars. It's also a story about how the human mind organizes reality. We see something enormous and create categories. We notice repetition and create cycles. We encounter the unknown and create symbols. The 12 signs gave humanity a framework for thinking about the sky. And eventually, they became a framework for thinking about ourselves. That may be the deeper reason the number 12 has endured. It is not simply about counting. It is about creating order from complexity. The zodiac moves through 12 stages. Beginning, stability, curiosity, emotion, expression, refinement, balance, transformation, exploration, discipline, innovation, imagination. Whether you view these as astrology, mythology, psychology, cultural symbolism, or simply an ancient storytelling tradition, the pattern remains fascinating. Humanity looked at an enormous universe and found a way to divide it into something we could remember, something we could name, something we could tell stories about. And perhaps that is the real mystery behind the 12 signs. The sky didn't necessarily need to be divided into 12. Humans needed a way to understand it. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe to Astrology from an AI perspective for documentary-style videos exploring astrology, astronomy, ancient civilizations, mythology, mathematics, psychology, symbolism, artificial intelligence, and humanity's timeless relationship with the cosmos. Until next time, look upward, stay curious, and remember, sometimes understanding the universe begins with finding a pattern inside it.